Hello everybody and welcome to this week's feedback and preview video. I am in the middle of helping my brother move everything out of my mom and dad's old house. So right now I'm all sweaty and dirty and I'm sitting in a room with boxes piled up almost to the ceiling, but there's work to be done. So I'm filming this video for you and just asking you to please excuse the mess, this mess, and any mess you might see in the background. Let's get into it. Let's take a look at the schedule. You can see here that you've just completed week 8, and in module 8 you read chapter 7 and took the chapter 7 quiz. Since the fall break occurred last week, we just had the quiz to do. This week, week 9, you see that you're reading chapter 8 and you're doing the chapter 7 activity and the chapter 8 quiz. So we're picking up that chapter 7 activity that we missed last week because of the break, and you're going to take the chapter 8 quiz this week, okay? Due by Saturday, October 30th at 11:59 p.m. Looking ahead, week 10, you're going to have your second exam. Now you'll recall that your first exam covered chapters 1 through 4. This second exam will be covering chapters 5 through 8. But you will also have, in addition to the exam that week, you'll have your chapter 8 activity due. That will get us caught up and back on track for doing the same quiz and activity each week after that, okay? So this week, chapter 7 activity and chapter 8 quiz, and then in week 10, you'll have the chapter 8 activity plus the second exam. Now, preparing for that second exam, it's very similar in format to the first one. So I encourage you to think about how you did on that first exam and what you might have done differently to prepare better, and put that plan into action. Remember that you'll want to use the bullet points at the beginning of each book chapter as your study guide. So remember, there are chapter objectives at the beginning of each chapter of the ebook that are a list of bullet points saying, when you finish reading this chapter, you should know these things. So when you're preparing for the exam, look at those objectives for chapters 5 through 8. I recommend that you make sure you're on top of the reading and caught up this week and next week so that you will be ready for that exam the week of November 6th, okay? If you would like to meet with me, I am scheduling appointments with students the week of November 1st through 5th. So drop me an email and we will schedule a WebEx meeting if you would like to. Otherwise, I wish you well. I wish you happy studying, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.